when I get where I'm going, on the far side of the sky, the first thing that I'm gonna do is spread my wings and fly. I'm gonna land beside a lion and run my fingers through his mane. Or I might find out what it's like to ride a drop of rain. Oh, when I get where I'm going, there'll be only happy tears. I will shed the sins and struggles I have carried all these years, and I'll keep my heart wide open. I will love and have no fears. Oh, when I get where I'm going, don't cry for me down here. I'm gonna walk with my granddaddy, and he'll match me step for step, and I'll tell him how I missed him every minute since he left. And then I'll hug his neck. Oh, when I get where I'm going, there'll be only happy tears. I will share the sins and struggles I have carried all these years, and I'll keep my heart wide open. I will love and have no fears. Yeah, when I get where I'm going, don't cry for me down here. So much pain and so much darkness in this world we stumble through. All these questions I can't answer, so much work to do. But when I get where I'm going, and I see my Maker's face, I'll stand forever in the light of His amazing